Hi ma'am and sir, good day. I am Julie Faye Talay Bura. I am 28 years old. I was born on April 29, 1997 at Rizal, Cagayan. I am the eldest among my siblings and I am single and presently residing here in the Philippines. I work here as a housemaid for 2 years at one employer. I started working year 2022 to year 2024. My main duties and responsibilities is to take care of one kid and her parents and do the household chores. I know how to clean, wash the dishes, do the laundry, and clean the house. To my prospective employer, please hire me because I am honest, responsible, and a hardworking person. And if you hire me, I promise to do my best and serve you with all my heart. Thank you and God bless.